Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look inspired by Shirley Manson. Shirley Manson is the lead singer of Garbage. She is a feminist icon. She's an amazing talent. Is a really cool down-to-earth person. I will link some videos and articles in the description box. I also link all of the products that I use. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch. And let's get to it. So you're going to use a black pencil, rim the inner membrane, top and bottom. You want to do the top so that you don't see any flesh, because you want to keep it really dark. Now you're going to concentrate on the outer corner here. Make that pretty thick. You're only going to go halfway. Don't worry if it's not black enough, because you're going to go over it with a shadow. Now you're going to go from the inner corner pretty tight and attach that. So it goes thin, 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 dips down, thick, thick, thick. On the top you're going to do the same thing. You're going to make it go halfway, make it pretty thick to the outer corner. Kind of like that. Now you're going to draw your wing. Just pull up and out towards, almost aiming towards the outer corner of your brow. Doesn't have to be a perfect wing because you're going to sharpen it up with the black shadow. Now you want to pull this straight across. You're going to bring that all the way into that inner corner. Then you're going to make it thicker, the line thicker, just in this area here. It's almost like half an inch. This is such a great palette, Prados Beauty, Prados brushes. I'm going to mix these two colors right here, because I just want to warm this up and deepen it. You're just applying that on the lid, but you're not going over the line that you created. The fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into this lighter color here. And I don't want a lot of contour, I just want to give it a little bit of shadowing. So for my coloring, this is a good color because it's like a hair darker than my skin tone. So it just gives the slightest contour. Now I'm going to go in with a gold shadow and a firmer brush and apply that starting off in the center of the lid. But you want that highlight down the center. And then with what's left on your brush, gently tap that on the rest of the lid, not going over the black that you put down. Same gold shadow, just going to apply that right under where you put that liner. And that brightens everything up and it tightens the line for you. Now we're going to go in with a black shadow and a small angle brush. And just go right on top of that black liner. And by putting that liner down first, it makes it a lot easier to create that really dark black. Because if you just go in with shadow, it's going to take you forever to build it up. And if you just go in with the liner, it's going to fade throughout the day. So this is a foolproof. Now you can really pull that liner out. I take the black shadow and I'll go on the inner membrane as well. This helps it last throughout the day too. Probably not tested for the eye area, so do it at your own risk. If it's not even, no one cares. No one's looking that close. Mascara. Sample. Throw on lots of mascara. Helps to get all the cat hair out of your lashes. For lips, I'm going to use a slightly darker, almost maroon liner. Line the perimeter. Color in the corners. With a brighter red, fill in the lip. This is already a pretty matte product, but if you want to create more of a powdery effect, throw a powder on top of it. I'm going to use this shadow right here, fluffy brush. I'm just applying it to the center. If you find that you get transfer throughout the day, like me, add a little bit of your face powder. Oh, poke yourself in the eye. Add a little face powder just to set the crease. That way your mascara won't mix in with your natural oils or the liner. And that is my makeup look inspired by Shirley Manson. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos from me and videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.